In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a streamlined software development workflow in Jira Cloud for 2026. If your backlog feels messy, handoffs are inconsistent, or release visibility is weak, this setup can make a huge difference. Jira Cloud gives engineering teams a cleaner way to connect planning, development, testing, and delivery in one place. In this walkthrough, we'll log in securely, create well-structured issues, connect your repository, automate status updates with smart commits, use AI summaries for faster context, and finish with a quick validation check so your board stays reliable and easy to scan. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login portal if that's how your organization authenticates access. Once the main dashboard loads, open your software project workspace. Starting from the right project is important because everything we do from here will live inside that board and its issue structure. Next, create a new issue using the Create button in the top navigation. This is where good organization starts. Choose the issue type based on the work you're tracking. Use an epic for a large feature area or major initiative, a story for a user-facing requirement, a task for technical or operational work, and a bug for defects or regressions. Then enter a short, clear summary. Keeping titles concise makes the backlog easier to scan and helps your whole team understand scope at a glance. Once your issue exists, move to the code or development area in the left-hand navigation and follow the prompts to connect Jira with your repository provider, such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. After the integration is active, open the issue again and look for the development panel. Jira can generate a branch name based on the issue key, which helps keep code and tracking aligned without extra manual work. Now return to your board view. This is your operational workspace where issues move from to-do into active stages like in progress, code review, and eventually done. As work begins, drag the card into the appropriate column. That visual movement does more than organize the board. It gives the broader team immediate visibility into execution without relying on separate status messages. To automate even more, use Jira Smart Commits in your Git commit messages. Include the issue key along with supported commands for time logging, comments, or transitions. After you push your code, Jira can automatically record that activity and update the issue status for you. This saves time and keeps progress tied directly to real development work. If you need to catch up quickly on a busy ticket, scroll to the comments and activity section and use the summarize option. The built-in AI can condense long discussions, logs, and test notes into a fast overview, which is especially helpful for leads, QA reviewers, and anyone joining a thread late. Before you wrap up, do a quick final review of the board. Confirm that project items are in the right columns, issue keys connect properly to development activity, and the board remains clear and readable. With that, your Jira workflow is structured